Nissan Rogue clunking sound diagnosis. So we can definitely tell it was coming from the back, and now we can definitely tell it's coming from inside the rear differential. You can actually see it if I hold the camera steady enough. The whole differential is moving slightly every time it makes a noise. There's something failing inside that. You're gonna have to replace the rear differential. Then there was a horrible scraping sound coming from the front. That was, you could see where the rotor was being eaten right there. And that was just this backing plate that was rubbing up against there. So I just pulled that away and the scraping sound is gone.